Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we will discuss coronavirus variant, specifically the Omicron variant. Let's start the lecture. Variants of concern is the term used for virus where mutation occurs in their spike protein receptors. All the new variants of the virus that causes COVID-19 has several mutations on its spikes, and these spikes are used by the virus for attachment to host cell and infect them. The variant of coronavirus include alpha variant, which is B.1.1.7 and was discovered in UK in September 2020. Next is beta variant, that is B.1.351, which was discovered in May 2020 in South Africa. Next coronavirus is gamma variant, that is P.1 and was discovered in Brazil in November 2020. Delta variant of coronavirus B.1.617.2 and are discovered in India, while Omicron variant B.1.1.529 was discovered in Africa in November 2021. The new Omicron variant of COVID-19 is spreading more rapidly than other strains because it has more mutation in the amino acid that lies on their spikes than any other variant thus far. The Omicron variant of coronavirus is a new variant that was first discovered on 24th November and are reported by WHO from South Africa on 26th November 2021. This variant has a large number of mutations, some of which are concerning, and the WHO has designated B.1.1.529 is a variant of concern and named Omicron. This newly formed variant of coronavirus growing at alarming stage because the virus has more than 50 mutations and spread rapidly. And also the Omicron has turned out to be highly transmissible and less susceptible to vaccine than other variants. At the beginning of December, a California resident who turned home from South Africa was identified as the first American infected with Omicron who is responsible for all new infections in the United States. The Omicron variant of coronavirus multiplies around 70 times faster than Delta variant in the bronchi, lungs, airways, but the evidence suggests that it is less severe than previous strains, especially compared to Delta variant. The Omicron might be less able to penetrate deep lungs tissues, and their infection are 91% less fatal than the Delta variant. In just a few weeks since its discovery, Omicron has turned out to be highly transmissible and less susceptible to vaccine than other variant. It is started from South Africa and spread to different parts of the world, that is Botswana, Hong Kong, UK, Belgium, Israel and Denmark. Here are the comparison of Omicron variant with Delta variant. The Delta variant is an aggressive variant that emerged in late 2020 and quickly became the most common variant in India, and it continues spreading around the world. In Delta variant of coronavirus, a total 18 amino acid mutated. In all these 8 amino acids are in spike proteins. Here in the diagram you can see red color shows spike mutations, which are less as compared to Omicron variant. While Omicron variant has total 50 mutations, in all these 34 mutations are in spike proteins that the coronavirus used to attach to human cells, and approximately 3 to 4 times of modified amino acids are present in Omicron variant. All these spike proteins are something new that our immune system does not recognize. Our vaccine may not much effective due to mutation in spike protein, and its transmission is 2 to 3 times greater than other variants of coronavirus. Now the structure of Omicron variant. The structure of Omicron variant consists of spike, which is made of glycoprotein. This spike is the main antigenic target of antibody generated by infections and many vaccine widely administered. 32 mutations affect these spike proteins. The Omicron variant has a total 50 mutations compared to the ancestral variants of coronavirus. This variant is characterized by 32 amino acid changes in the spike protein compared with the original virus. Next is the membrane protein that include D3G, Q19E, A63T. Then we have small envelope protein, which is integral membrane proteins less than 110 amino acid. Then we have nucleocapsid proteins that packages the positive sense RNA of the coronavirus. Then we have symptoms of the coronavirus. The symptoms of coronavirus are not much fatal but sometimes vary from other variant. Infection with Omicron often develop headache, nasal congestion or runny nose, sore throat. One possible difference is that Omicron may be less likely than earlier variants to cause a loss of taste and smell, mild fever, fatigue, dry cough, and a unique reported symptoms of Omicron variant is night sweats. Here are comparison of Omicron with other variant. Omicron first discovered in South Africa and spread to 10 countries, and they have 32 spike proteins mutations. Next is beta variant that discovered in South Africa and spread up to 146 countries, and they have 10 spike protein mutation. Next is alpha variant that discovered in UK and spread up to 197 countries, and they have 11 spike protein mutations. Next is gamma variant they discovered in Brazil and spread up to 103 countries, and they have 12 spike protein mutations. The last one is delta variant that discovered in India and spread 196 countries, and they have 10 spike protein mutations. So how we will diagnose it? The diagnosis can be done by polymerase chain reaction, sequencing and genotyping. And the prevention of Omicron virus include vaccination, avoid crowded area and close contact, and wear fitting mask and clean hands frequently. These all are the preventions of Omicron virus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for interesting and informative lectures.